It is another first alert weather day for our Friday. To bookend the week, we had one Monday, we have another one. We are talking snow developing through the mid-morning and intensifying into the afternoon, at times falling at a rate of an inch an hour, with the heaviest snow expected into the foothills and the plains. The plains have just been getting hit really hard by this storm, and it does not stop today. It will certainly impact your evening commute and into the overnight hours, but the morning commute into the mid-afternoon or early afternoon looking pretty quiet. So this is a radar loop of the last 48 hours. This is taking us through Wednesday and into Thursday. Look at Lyman, Burlington, over into the plains. Barely a break in the snowfall. This is a historic storm, bringing, when it's all said and done, some places as much as 3 feet, if not more, of snow to a lot of these areas. And that continues into the day today. This is where snow started to develop into the morning. The heaviest there, that's where it will remain the heaviest, but the Denver area will continue to see snow moving in throughout the day today. Winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories are in effect. That does include the heart of the metro and into the east. All the places you see in pink, that's the winter storm warning. That's where we're expecting the most snow with the most impactful conditions out there. Winter weather advisories in the purple, some of the southern foothills up into the high country and northern Colorado, all under winter weather advisory. So what does that mean for us as we head through the day today? Well, as mentioned, eastern Colorado is going to continue to see the heaviest snow, but we will tap into some of that here in the metro area, really ramping up around the 9-10 o'clock hour and continuing through the afternoon and evening, overnight into tomorrow. This brings us to about 1 p.m. Still seeing that heavy snow in the Denver metro. Into parts of northern Colorado, we could mix in a little of that rain-snow mix, and that will determine just how much of that we see will determine what our snow totals end up looking like. But we could still see some measurable snow in northern Colorado. I know they've kind of missed out on a lot of this storm system thus far. Not looking like that'll be the case going through the day today. You look at your statewide snow forecast, and we're seeing the bullseye of the worst of the snow along I-70 into eastern Colorado. Palmer Divide communities could pick up quite a lot. What does that mean for the metro? Well, lots of places in that 7 to 14 inch range. You head into some of the southern foothills, we're talking 12 to 18 inches possible. Over toward Boulder, still in that 7 to 14. You head down toward Palmer Divide and into eastern Colorado. Some places could pick up a foot, if not isolated areas around 3 feet of snow. Then into northern Colorado along 76 and north, that's where we get a sharper gradient of our snow totals with that rain snow mixing in. So totals will diminish as you head further north, but still looking at some measurable snow into parts of northern Colorado. As far as temperatures today, we started in the low 30s. We're just not going to warm up nearly at all through the afternoon. First alert weather day today and into tomorrow. The good news is by tomorrow, mid-afternoon, we'll start to see that snow really taper off, and it'll be a little warmer tomorrow as well. So not quite as impactful later you get in the day on Saturday. And by Sunday, that sun is going to come out and help really melt a lot of the snow away. So likely heading back to work on Monday, hardly any snow left for us here in the Denver areas. It should all be melted away. But the next couple of days, keeping our eye on how this snow all builds. If you have plans to be out and about this afternoon, maybe you're catching a flight, definitely keep your eye on how the snow is shaping up, because we'll talk some pretty impactful conditions out there as it intensifies today.